In today's video, I will show you how easy it is to plan your charging journey and how to charge your Macan electric.
Let me start by typing in our destination, Porsche Experience Center Hockenheim.
The Porsche charging planner now proposes a route together with a charging break. The planner takes into account traffic and the time that it'll take to recharge the car. This will automatically impact the time needed to arrive at the destination, which is shown at the top. I can also change the minimum state of charge on arrival, and to do so, click on the settings icon, charging planner, and then click on minimum state of charge on arrival. Now, of course, I can always override the charging planner's suggestion and choose another charging opportunity along the way. On top of that, and very important, the charging planner will precondition my Macan's batteries so that they can charge faster at the charging point. Keep in mind that the weather can influence the charging speed. With very cold temperatures outside, charging can take a bit longer. The charging planner is leading us to a DC charging station. These are commonly found near highways and can transfer energy quickly. That is why these stations are very convenient if you are on a longer trip and quickly need to charge your car. When wanting to charge the vehicle, I have to know where the charging ports are located.
The Porsche Macan offers 2 charging ports, both at the rear end of the vehicle. The charging port at the right side is designed for AC charging. Since this here is a DC charging station, I have to use the charging port on the left side. DC charging stations have their own cables, so I only need to plug it into the charge port of the Macan. This Macan is equipped with the optional electric charging cover. To open the charge port, I simply put the palm of my hand on the cover like this, and the port will open automatically. Now I plug in the charger. Make sure it sits properly.
Starting the charging process is pretty easy. Initiation starts via the charging station.
This screen right here is important. To start the process, press on Start Charging, and the screen will ask you to hold up your charging card.
Now, all you have to do is wait until the charge has been completed. There are other ways to start the charging process that could be more convenient for you. One way would be via the My Porsche app, or you can start the charging process through the plug and charge feature that the Porsche Macan is equipped with. Now that the vehicle is charging, I can also see the charging status here in PCM when I click on Charging. This information is also displayed in the instrument cluster in front of me. What is shown is the current state of charge as well as the charge target. If I wish to manually stop the charging process before the vehicle does so itself, I could do this via the screen of the charging station or disable the plug from the port. To do this, I simply have to click on this button and the plug will disconnect. After charging, the port will now close automatically within 5 seconds.
Aside from DC charging stations, there are also AC charging stations that can be used. These stations can be found in various settings, such as hotels, and can also be installed at home.
However, at AC charging stations, charging will not be as fast, though that matters little if, for example, you wish to charge your car overnight. You can put in the plug on either port of your Macan. Also, these AC charging stations can be used by hybrid vehicles. It's time for me to continue my journey and for you to get to know your car on an even deeper level. So make sure you check out our other spot-on videos, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.